Alright, this entry ticket is going over some common mistakes when graphing polynomials. Both of them have the common mistake of flipping around what is happening at the x-intercepts. On number one, ultimately those 2 points, negative 1, 0 and 2, 0, those should be flip-flopped. The point x plus 2 needs to equal 0, so you're asking yourself what plus 2 is 0. The answer is negative 2, or you think algebraically, opposite of plus 2 is minus 2, 0 minus 2 is negative 2. We need a point at negative 2, 0 instead of 2, 0. And then we need the x minus 1 squared, that term, to also equal out to 0. Opposite of minus 1 is plus 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. So our other x-intercept should be 1, 0 instead of negative 1, 0. You can throw that in Desmos and you get the graph down at the bottom left of the screen. Number two ends up being somewhat similar in the sense anytime we square something, if you go back to number one real quick, the x minus 1 squared, you see the graph comes down, touches 1, 0 and comes back up. It does not cross the x-axis. The same thing happens in number two. X squared should be a touch and go. So instead of the touch and go at 3, 0, it should be moved over to 0, 0. And then at 3, 0, we should actually cross the x-axis. The x-intercept should be a point where the graph crosses the x-axis. So those 2 points should be switched around. Please use this to finish up the 5 Khan Academy practices and be ready for the upcoming quiz.